Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript. Use bracket notation to find the first character in a string. Bracket notation is a way to get character at a specific index within the a string. Most modern programming language like JavaScript don't start counting at 1 like humans do. They start at 0. This is referred to as zero based indexing. For example, the character at the index 0 is the word Charles. In the word Charles is C. So if where first name equal to Charles, you can get the value of the first letter of the string by using first name, and in bracket notation we give 0. In brackets we give 0. It's called bracket notation. Example, where first name equal to, this is the string Charles, then to find out first letter we give the variable name, then brackets and 0 in between the bracket. So the task for this challenge, use bracket notation to find the first character in the last name variable and assign it to first letter of last name. So like in the previous, last name first letter of the last name, its last name variable, and we check 0. So this should do. So let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.